this is not just a ceremony, it is a celebration of grace, perseverance, and courage. I am Andrea May B. Soriano, and standing here before you is nothing short of a miracle. I don't just stand here as a graduate, I stand as a living proof that it is never too late to begin again.
Marahil, nais ko din pong ibahagi iyon, ibalik sa inyo ngayong araw na ito na nagdiriwang tayo ng misa para sa pagtatapos. You are beloved, you are gifted, you are empowered. Tandaan nyo, unang-una ay mahal na mahal kayo ng Diyos.
Life is indeed like a wheel. There will be times when you're on top, and there will be times when you're at the bottom. But don't take this negatively, because every situation and every moment in this life is temporary. So when life is good, enjoy it fully. When life is challenging, remember that it won't last forever and better days are coming.
I can almost see it, that dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it.
Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. My faith is shaking, but
Ngayong araw na ito ay hindi lamang isang pagtatapos, kundi isang araw pagdiriwang ng sakripisyo, sipag at tagumpay. Sa harap ko ngayon ay hindi lamang mga estudyante na magtatapos, kundi mga kabataang magiging ilaw at lakas at magiging magandang ehemplo at may malasakit sa bayan ng Sariaya.
Ang tema natin ngayong taon, henerasyon ng pagkakaisa, kaagapay sa bagong Pilipinas, ay isang palaala na sa panahon ng pagbabago at pagsubok, kailangan natin ang pagkakaisa higit kailanman.
There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes we're gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb.
the struggles I'm facing, the chances I'm taking, sometimes might knock me down, but no, I'm not breaking. I may not know it, but these are the moments that I'm gonna remember most. Yeah, just gotta keep going, and I gotta be strong. Just keep pushing.
In my first year as admin staff, di namin po pinoproblema na hindi na po tumutulo ang aming bubong. And then, nakapunta rin po ako sa iba't ibang places sa tulong po ng Colegio de Santo Cruz de Burgos. And then, of course, nakamit po ako ng mga taong tumulong sa akin towards positivity, too much realization as well from their actions and vocabularies that inspired me to be more, and that I can be more, and I can do more.
Continue pouring the words of God into their lives as you coach them through their senior high school years for movers in the college years and beyond for our senior high school graduates.
Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have